So the Prime Day sale is almost here, and here's a quick update, a secret update on the best offers on Redtiger dash cameras, specifically the newly launched Redtiger F17 Starways 2 edition and the newly launched Redtiger F7NA native 4K Starways 2 edition. So during Prime Day sale, if you purchase the Redtiger F17 using my affiliate link given below in the description, you will get a free 64GB memory card right inside the box. And note that this is only up until stocks last. So if you are an early bird, you will get a free memory card at no extra cost. Additionally, if the stocks of the memory card do run out, you will continue to get the same discount on the camera. Make sure to go ahead and grab the Redtiger F17 on the first day, be the early bird on the Prime Day, and make sure to use the link given below in the description. That being said, you're also getting an amazing discount and amazing offer on the newly launched Redtiger F7NA. You will get an additional 5% off on the Redtiger F7NA on top of the Prime Day discount that's available. So do note that this is available only on the first day and only by using the affiliate link given below in the description. Make sure to make use of this because you're getting close to 900 rupee worth of extra discount on top of all the Prime Day offers that are already present on the Redtiger F7NA. So these are limited period, limited time Prime Day offers on the Redtiger F17 and the Redtiger F7NA. Make sure to make the most use out of this Prime Day sale and save yourself a lot of money because who likes to spend extra money? Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.